Hey, Midwest Picker here. On my way to an estate sale. I have no idea how much video I'm going to shoot. It's a rainy day. It's Saturday, 9:18 a.m., 39 degrees in West Michigan. Who do I have with me? Little Midwest. Mrs. Midwest is down south visiting family. She's got the dog with her. So we're going to hit an estate sale in Whitehall, Michigan. So it's a bit of a drive. I'll try to get some sneaky video the best I can, so stick around. All right, we made it. It's a beautiful house too. All right, we're gonna go inside and check out this sale. All right, we're back from the estate sale. We also stopped at 2 thrift stores. So let's take a look at the haul. All right, this is the haul. All of this stuff. This is mostly estate sale. I'm going to go through each one of these. This was the big one that cost me the most money. This is Little House on the Prairie. The entire, all nine seasons. Everything was 25% off at the estate sale. This was 30 bucks. Brand new, still sealed in the package. I'll put up comps on the screen to show you what they generally sell for. I'm going to give Mrs. Midwest the choice. I'm going to either let her keep this because she really loves this TV show, or I can resell it. I'm thinking she's going to want to keep it. So 30 bucks is not too bad. Not a lot of margin or profit if I were to sell it, but I'm thinking this is going to be a keeper. All right, this one was kind of weird. Vintage bamboo chopsticks. There's the company Buffalo. There are not good comps on these at all. The plastic is kind of broken away on this. It's very unusual. What did I pay? I paid $1.50. A total, I forgot to mention, I spent a total of $47 for everything. 30 of that is this DVD set. All right, so these, I have no clue what these are going to go for. $8 to $25. I think $25 is a little too high. I'll probably list these for $12.99, paid $1.50. We'll see what happens with that. Nintendo 64, I did not look these up. I just took a gamble. They were $3.75 a piece. They're worth about $12 each. They're going to be listed as untested also, so hopefully those don't get returned. But Nintendo 64, typically the games are pretty good. Some of them are worth a ton of money. These are just very average, so they're not worth a whole lot. These borders are pretty cool. These are still sealed brand new in the package. The nice thing is they're all identical. They're all exactly the same. There's not very many on eBay at all, so it's really hard to look up the value. I would say about 12 bucks a piece. I'll just list one and say 5 available and do a volume discount. So if they all sell, that's going to be some pretty good money right there. Let's see, next, pins. They got this whole bag of pins for 75 cents. So what these are is they're pins related to collector plates. So I don't know if these pins came with the collector plates. It's kind of unusual. Every image you see here is actually a collector plate. These here are signed by somebody. I don't know who that is. That's a collector plate. There's a bunch of collector plates. I don't know. So these will probably, I don't know, I'll list these for $7.99, $8.99. These signed ones, that's not the artist, so I don't know what the deal is with that. That's going to require more research, but super easy to ship and super easy to store. That's why I like those. The Sonny tapes, paid $1 a piece, and they're worth about $12. I might lot these together, $24.99. Maybe a little bit less, I'm not sure, for $1 a piece, maybe $19.95 with shipping on top. These are old postcards. Okay, these are old postcards, 1918, 1913. They're pretty cool. I'm going to scan these. My printer is also a scanner, so I'm going to scan those. Prices are kind of all over the place, $5 to $12. Not super valuable, but like I said, very inexpensive. I paid about 25 cents a piece. Should get, I don't know, 9, 10, 11 bucks each for these. Easy to ship, easy to store. That's what I love about those. These are newer postcards. I paid, Crap over there. I paid $3 for the whole bag, and you can see how many there are. There's over 100. These are more modern, 1950s, 1960s, and 70s. Most of them appear to be Europe or the Netherlands or Greece or something like that. Not super valuable, but I will scan those and list those, maybe in lots. Probably should triple my money on those. Last one are all these Christmas cards. I paid, what did I pay, $1.50. You got cute little cats with all the envelopes. Just a whole bunch of vintage Christmas cards. Not super old, but they all have the cards with them. So probably in October I'll list these. Should be able to triple my money on those. Have no idea what they're worth. But that's the haul, guys. Not too bad for 47 bucks. If you take this out, and it's like 17 bucks for everything else. This will probably be a keeper, so we'll call this a $17 haul. I really like these. These are really cool. But you can't keep everything. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.